Part 4, dấu ngã. This lesson, we're gonna learn more about the wavy tone. This one, I must say, it's quite difficult, which means I will spend a little bit more time to explain how to produce this sound. I don't really know the best method for producing this sound, but my advice is actually just practice saying them a lot. The first thing to recognize the sound is it sounds like a broken tone, which means while you're going up with a tone, you break it in the middle. So my tip is it sounds like you're walking, and then you trip. So for example, we have this word, mã, mã, mã. So it sounds like you're going up and then you jump again. Mã, mã. Alright, another way to explain its tone is that it sounds like you say the dot and the up together very quickly, because with the dot you need to stop, right? Ma. And then with the up you go straight up. Ma, 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 ma. Okay? So it's up to you which way helps you to illustrate how to say this tone better. My advice is just produce the sound. Then once you get used to it, it's not a problem anymore. Let's practice saying these words. We have the first one is ngã, ngã. So this one literally means to trip or to fall over. Next one we have đã, đã. And then mũ, mũ, nữ, nữ, cũng, cũng, dũng, dũng. And the last one, trễ, trễ. Alright, let's practice saying a sentence that contains only the wavy tones. Let's start. Dũng, cũng, đã, trễ. Dũng cũng đã trễ. Okay? It means Dũng is a guy's name. Cũng is also. Đã is a tense indicator to say that it's in the past. And the word trễ means late. Well, this one is used more in the south, but in the north we use it sometimes as well. The whole sentence is Dũng also was late. Now let's say them again with me. Dũng cũng đã trễ. Dũng cũng đã trễ. Faster. Dũng cũng đã trễ. Dũng cũng đã trễ. That's it. Thank you for listening. I hope you had a good time and I'll see you in the next lesson. Cảm ơn. Hẹn gặp lại.